If you're looking for the perfect work-from-home opportunity, look no further. Couture is the world's greatest DIY home decor company, and our designers, they're creating a life they love. You can too. With Couture, you can take the first step towards building a sweet side hustle or creating an empire, all your very own. Our sensational July 2020 starter kit is valued at over $240 US, and it includes everything you need to get started. You'll receive our designer startup guide with great tips to help you through your first couple of months, plus customer thank you cards, our darling apron, and of course, your very own Couture catalog. Now, speaking of catalog, our brand new autumn-winter collection is set to debut on July 15th. And lucky for you, this new kit has oh so many new products inside. You'll receive 7 gorgeous transfers, 4 of which even I haven't seen before. We'll get 5 3-ounce Chalkology pastes, including a brand new blue and sensational shimmer, plus 3 exclusive surfaces, including our bold and even more beautiful updated board and base. And that's not all. You'll also get 1 free month of your very own e-commerce website, so your customers can shop online all the time. If you've ever dreamed of starting something new, there's never been a better opportunity. Take a chance, take charge, and create a life you love. Talk to your independent designer or visit chalkature.com/join to learn more today.